Hello guys, good evening. Today I am reaching back from New York. Actually, with my friends, we walk on our hostel, and just 1 minute ago we descend from the train. And right now, with my friend, we are walking on the street. Actually, in our right side, here is also a river, not a big river. This is a small river, but here variety types of fish available because before time we saw in here, but right now here is night, so we can't say. And with my friend also listening music, and he's walking on his way. And just now we arrived at this river name is I don't know, but from here until our dormitory by foot around 5 minutes it takes. And we are walking, and today our work has started 4 a.m. and end at 9 p.m. And today we both are tired, and we are also hungry too much because we forgot to eat breakfast in the 3-4 p.m. So we actually ate rice around 12 p.m. a.m. and after that 2:30 maybe at the time we started to walk on the OG station for work, and we forgot to eat breakfast. And actually we think about our work. We will get a QK. QK means half time, but in there we don't get it half time, so we feel a little bit tired as well, starving. And after finished our work, we were traveled by bus, company bus, until the station, and then we travel by the train and from our work station and our this station by train take around half an hour. And my friend is also as much as tired today, and so he walk lonely and listening music. And okay guys, today video is short because I can't make today because here is around already 10 o'clock 10 p.m. So next days I'll create a new video for you guys and a specific topic, and I will also include the various types of important word meaning while I am speaking. And coming next weeks later, we will go to the here some restaurant and taste your local dishes, I think. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Nice to meet you.